Sure, guys, we come back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back with another album review. So today we are featuring uLwandle Ndlunkulu. Album iphume ngomhla ka-2 October last year. But azange khona catch up kahle because I believe marketing yakhona bingekho that powerful. I think be poor in marketing yakhona because last thing I heard from where it takes listening session but mase phuma album I think abazange beyipromote kakhulu because ngabe sayazi ukuthi iphume nini but no 3 months iphumile and ngizange catch up kwena ngoDecember because ngiyibone ku-YouTube because last day ingoma edidlela kakhulu eradio ile yokuqala yathi singile noMahunde kuba lesibili kumna kwethu kuyena odu playlist kakhulu ema radio station amaningi so I think izona ngoma edithole attention but i-album yona as a whole I don't think by promote bayineza attention but ke sesilalelile Speaker naye so hlaziya nje sikhethi ingoma ezinohlonze ezembali sizwile because siyamazi ukuthi ulwa uhleze nawo lo manoni azofika ikitaza abantu enhlizweni so I think nami sikhona ingoma ezembali ezingithintile and nesigqi sesound into enginoticeile ithe ukuhluka kakhulu kunale album yakhe le akade ikhiphe ngonyaka I think ngonyaka wa2024 kodwa i-album yakhe le enkulu kakhulu leyana uyona debut album yakhe I think i-classic ngayibiza nge-classic album lena ke inazi ingoma ezimnandi but I don't think iyafika kwi-standards aliyana because nanengoma zayo azikho ningi more than lezana because ingoma zale album eningi beproduce uStalone uXolwa lana ke isound ithe ukuhluka ikhona ingoma eproduce uXolwa but ingoma eningi I think aproducewa nguyena so I think bazama ukuthi isound ibe matured because ulawo sebekhona isikhathi igamini mhlawumbe sebefuna eqala ukuphefuma nama-band and stuff so isound ithe ukushintsha kakhulu but sikhona ingoma nje ngifuna uku-highlight ezimbalwa ikhona yokuqala ethi edolobheni I think yona ngoma ethanda uba nalesa style esifana nasale album endlule and ngithande kakhulu leyo ngoma le uthi nodalo wakhe abahlangana nge-social media bahlangana edolobheni so uthando lwabo lustrong sazi ukuthi abanye abaningi abajolayo bahlangana ku-social media so lwa uthi yena benodalo wakhe bahlangana edolobheni washelwe emini kwabha phumilanga so lento yena uthi nithole ama-DM nize nishade ulwa uthi akekho lapho benodalo wakhe bahlangana ku-social media usho mina kusho yena ikhona enye ingoma futhi enalo mjida lo abazwana kakhulu lezi nsuku noSaliwa induna yensizwe lapha nathi silamaskandi idlala kamnandi lo ngoma emnandi kakhulu and inama numbers I think iyaperform amabhinqa ayibonisile uthando because lapha ngithe mangicheck ama numbers na I think iyaperform enye ingoma eperformayo more than after lezi zaphuma before because amasingela uthu umna kwethu nale noMahulu ayiphume early zone obviously zinama numbers amaningi so yona ngoma elandelayo because ayina video but still ya perform so I'm not sure uba kwenzakalani between uLwabe noSaliwa because lento bayiqale last year nakule music video noMahulu babekhona so angazi makuse content yomjolo noma bayajola but ke asazi but into engiyazi eSouth Africa azikho into efihlwayo so bona sesibona ngomntwana nje but ke asikho lakho ikhona enye ingoma engizwile emnandi kakhulu efisho umjida kuthiwa Phoshani Mzansi I think wase Push Up Steam because ngizwe kuma comment abantu base South Coast bamklema kanjalo I think upotential kakhulu and usemncane hopefully maybe unew sign yasenkabi record because ngizwe ushuni wakhe nesityle sakhe I think bengasidinga laphana no why ukhuphuke kakhulu lo ngoma lethi ngizobonga ukuthi nje angizimzi ukuqala ukuthi unkosi ngizobonga because ngiyazi ukuthi ngumuntu oqhamuka endaweni eseyilaleni emakhaya and izinto bezikude nathi but namhlanje sesilabo namhlanje sevule kuma music video namhlanje ufisa usho ku Speaker Now uphushane so uthi nje uyabongela enkosini because no la kwasuka khona ikude so leyo ngoma I think ine message strong nayo imnandi nje kakhulu especially ushuni wakhe yonke nginothise kakhulu I think une space ku music industry because ushuni wakhe uthe ukuhluka kunalezi zinto esejwayele so ikhona enye ingoma eno-music colleague na oyimember inkabi record na inyembezi zakhe laphana i-powerful kakhulu nayo and ifeature ethanda uba strong kakhulu siyamazi umusic when it comes to ama-emotions uhlezi ready uyithatha nengoma ebeke lapho so leyo ngoma leyo inesiqi nayo sewamnandi ikhona ingoma ene-message yegospel ithemba inothokozani langa nayo ngiyithande kakhulu leyo ngoma because i-gospel yangoma but ikule sound ye-afro pop afro soul lenziwa uLwa lethe ukuba nalo shuni lo wasenkabi so nayo lo ngoma imnandi kakhulu nalokuthi nje sebenze nomuntu osemkantsho ubovu njengoba Buthokozani Langa laphana kungijabulisile na so enye ingoma engiyithandile nayo ithemba nje as I said ziningi ingoma engiyithandile but ke I don't think i-album yona i-performed that well because abayipromote nge-album laphana bayipromote nje lezi ngoma zokuqala but album yona ayipromothwanga but ke afro pop into engiyithanda ngayo ihlala isikhathi eside. Even namanje khona abantu abasazo-catch up because abantu basazogowa bephinde bebuye kulezi ngoma bey'lalela. So zikhona nje nezinye iy'ngoma khona nalo mjito wasemnambithi uDanya Devs lo imember ye-Black Diamond naye ikhona enye ingoma abayenzile ibizwa nge-Alone nayo interesting nayo leyo ngoma nje. So nje I think ibhalansile i-album yakhe. So as uSpeaker Now I think singayi-rate sinikeze ngayinika maybe u-7 out of 10 le album because I don't think iwizi ngale album yokuqala because ngihlezi ngithi i-album kalwayo yokuqala uma ngiyi-compare nama-album mhlawumbe e-Afropop asemzansi ngibeka kuleya level uma ngibeka Nathi Mankayi noZahara lo ma-album nje lawa performa rate I think kuleyo level indlela i-powerful ngayo. So obviously kwi-album yesibili bingeke izifike kulela zinga but I think uzamile ukuthi ebe ne-follow up ethanda ukuba strong. Hopefully bazowa-release more single from this album. And another thing engifuna ukuyi-mention because khona enye i-feature akayenzile akusenye khona ingoma ebhalisi ngiphelele la ithanda uba noShuno Maskandi. I'm not sure ukuthi abekho in combination bethatha ulwa mhlawumbe beke bezami mhlawumbe bethi bemnikeze i-album amaskandi noma i-album ewa noma i-EP because I think u-ready because ngeke ngezwe ama-rumors bethi bazokhipha i-album lisi kamaskandi bafuna ukurelease uSiyantulu. But I think umuntu o-ready nomuntu osoyena osondele namabhinqa kakhulu bekudlwabi kumele beshuthe ngaye for i-album amaskandi and I think ibizolenda because ama-record label amaningi aloku yanqikaza angazi basaba ukukhipha i-album amaskandi from artists engasile amaskandi. Abantu abafana noLwano noMahu bela bese nawo already ama-album amaskandi because ama-streams alapho and sebevele sebama-friends of umaskandi. But-ke umono wami noma ngiyi-Speaker Now anyway sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Now, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Now, sikhona ku-Twitch Speaker Now. Away we out.